Sunday, so I'm starting out another Vlogmas video, but I'm doing kind of like a Sunday in my life. It is 10:08, so very real. I like to sleep in on the weekends if I can, like if I'm not super busy. Past 2 days, so Friday night and Saturday night, clearly I went to bed super late. Friday I went to bed like 2:30 a.m. after watching a Christmas movie. Yesterday I went to bed at like 1:30 because I was finishing editing a video. I had to re-edit the whole entire vlog, which I told you guys that I was supposed to upload on Saturday because I didn't upload on Thursday. So now I'm trying to upload that video today. I'm just waiting for the approval, so I wanted to finish editing it. I send it in for approval and I'm just hoping that they get back to me at any time today so I can upload a video and make it up to you guys, so I'm still having 5 videos a week because tomorrow's Monday and I'm still gonna be uploading like I normally have been 5 days. So I think I'm all good with no more technical difficulties with my computer. If she doesn't answer today and I can't get that video up, I'll do like an extra video again, or we'll see what happens with that. But I'm really hoping if she answers, you guys are like, it's not that big of a deal, like don't stress about it. But for me, I'm just like, it's just like little things like that that it's just like annoying when it happens. Like I spent hours yesterday editing that video, and then right before I had to go to work at night, it crashed and like I had to call Apple and just all this stuff. So it was very stressful. Sundays and Saturdays I usually like to sleep in a little bit if I can. So it's 10:09 right now. I'm going to get up. Sundays are but usually like my day for like doing laundry, doing chores, like cleaning and stuff. I'm gonna decorate the tree, and what else? We'll see what else I do today, but kind of like just preparing for the week ahead. I have a lot to get done this week, and next week is already Christmas, which is insane. Like Vlogmas flew by, so I definitely want to watch a lot of Christmas movies this week. Plus I think we're having a snowstorm this week, Wednesday and Thursday, so we'll see what happens. But I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new here, hi, make sure you subscribe and stick around. We are so close, 4,000 subscribers, and it's crazy. So thank you guys so much. Now let's get up. Okay, I'm not sure what I want to make for breakfast yet. I think I want oatmeal because it's kind of cold, and I've been having my toast with avocado, which is good. Like, it's amazing, that bread. You guys, I'm definitely going to keep buying it from Trader Joe's, the sourdough bread. So I think I can still have that today for lunch, but I think for breakfast I'll just have some oatmeal to keep me warm. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do some oatmeal. And I use this oatmeal right here. This is the Red Mills, Bob's Red Mills old-fashioned rolled oats. I like this one. We also had the extra thick ones, but I didn't like those that much at all. I felt like they were too thick and like they wouldn't soften up as well as these do. So I'm gonna have this. I'm almost out of my chia seeds, so I need to restock on these. But also honey and cinnamon, as well as peanut butter. I feel like it just makes it more filling, honestly, and it's so good. Highly recommend. I don't use regular sugar, I just use honey to sweeten it up, but just a little drizzle. And of course my oat milk. This one is the best of the best. Okay, this might look gross because I don't like to make my oatmeals like liquidy. I like mine like thick and creamy. And when you mix the peanut butter in it, it just like melts and it's so good. That's like my favorite part about my oatmeal is the peanut butter. And this is fogging up. How rude. And I poured myself a big cup of water. Alright, now it is time to do laundry. I always wash my pillowcases every week. Which also means that I wash my hair every Sunday as well, because I'm not going to wash my pillowcases and have dirty hair. So Sundays I usually do the purple shampoo and conditioner. I do that once a week, and it's usually every Sunday. Which I'm also going to be blow drying my hair today, so gotta do that later. Also, I want to do my nails today because they are just so bad, so we'll also do that. Just made myself my coffee. Also, I took off nail polish, so I can do that in a little bit, but the first thing I need to do is edit my thumbnail and attach it to my video. That's the last thing I need to do, but it doesn't matter because when I sent the video in for approval, let me put my tripod on. So when I sent my video in for approval, I didn't have the thumbnail on the video, which is fine, so I can do that now. I didn't stress about doing that last night because it was so late when I finished, so I just wanted to basically go to sleep because I was so tired. So right now I need to take a picture of this tray actually as part of my thumbnail. So let me quickly do that, and then once I'm done with my thumbnail, I will put it to my video, and I think I'm going to do my nails first. I don't even think I said that I wanted to do my nails, but also I have to wait to do my laundry because we need more detergent, so they'll bring that back with them when they get back home. So I'll do it in a little bit, which is fine because it doesn't take me that long to do my laundry anyways. So yeah, and then I need to clean a little bit. Also, I freaking left my iPhone charger at work yesterday, which is so annoying, but I'm gonna get that on Monday, and it's fine because we have my brothers here, so I could just use his. My thumbnail. Well, I'm still waiting for the email, and then I'll do like the last final touch. I didn't want to put the day yet because honestly I don't know if it's gonna go up today or tomorrow, so I'll show you guys what I created so far. My laundry is also in the washer, so that's all good, but I didn't want to put the day number yet just because I don't know. But right now I'm going to do my nails, and then later on, like I told you guys, I'm gonna do my hair, but that's like later tonight. And I think, I don't know what color I want to do. I'm going to do the gel today. I don't know if I want to do red for like Christmas. I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look at the colors and see what I want to do, because I've done like black and dark blues that look like black for the past like 3 weeks. So I want to switch it up a little bit. Let's see what I come up with, and I'll let you guys know. And I want to watch some YouTube, some people's Vlogmas while I do my nails and finish my cup of coffee, because I just got like really good news and I'm just like feeling happy. So I just want to do my nails and relax, and hopefully the email gets approved within a couple of hours or minutes. I really want to post that video today. So yeah, and then in a little bit I like doing gel because it dries like right away, and then I'm gonna clean the room, so we'll do that as well. I just changed because I was really getting hot in my robe. Right now I'm gonna do this color. So this is my sister's, but it's Gelin. I guess that's how you would pronounce it, but it's this Gelin brand, and it's number 156, and it's kind of like a dark chocolatey brown. I was gonna do red, but I don't like that shade of red that was in the kit, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put my AirPods in, and I'm going to watch some YouTube. Okay, my nails are all done. I also just put my laundry in the dryer. This is how they look. This will focus. It's not like super dark. It honestly has a little bit of a hint of like a burgundy, I feel like. But I like it. Now I'm gonna make lunch because I'm starving. So I just broke this. I'm almost out of my bread. This is like the worst part. Does anybody else hate folding their laundry? Like, I swear, I truly don't like folding, but something you gotta do. So, I'm gonna fold. I can't wait to decorate the tree. I also have more presents to wrap, and then like I'm completely done. Also still waiting on my white elephant gift. I think that's coming like one of these days. Fresh bed with nice clean pillowcases and normal laundry. Thank goodness. Next week I'll wash my sheets. So I like to like kind of like alternate, but I always make sure I do my pillowcases every single Sunday. And now we're going to decorate the tree finally. Okay, I forgot to show you guys what I had for dinner, but we had basically spaghetti, and I had with Alfredo sauce and some grilled chicken. It was really good. If you hear my sister's washing dishes, so that's the noise in the background. But 6:50 right now. I'm about to go shower and wash my hair, and I told you guys I'm going to use the purple shampoo and conditioner that I use from Lucetta, which is also linked in my description if you guys want to shop with Lucetta. But I'm going to wash my hair, and what I like to do also is while I'm in the shower and I'm washing my face, I've been really enjoying like giving myself like a facial massage and just like really massaging my face upwards and not dragging it down and just working the product in. I like to do it for 60 seconds regardless when I wash my face, but just giving myself that massage is also really nice. So I'm gonna shower, and then also when I'm going to blow dry my hair, I let my hair air dry like a good amount through, so that when I go to blow dry it's like damp and it's not soaking wet, because it's not good to, number one, on soaking wet hair, and number two, it just cuts the blowout time in half. So that's what I'm about to do. And while my hair is actually like air drying a little bit, I'm going to dust the room down, wipe down like the windowsill, wipe down my Alex drawers, my desk, and then with the Swiffer, I think we have one more left, which is perfect. I just go around the room and Swiffer. That's what I like to do every Sunday, just get the room nice and fresh and clean. I guess for the week, it's just like, it's always been that way. We've always done like our chores on Sunday here. I don't know, like that's just our thing that we do. So I just kind of stuck with that. I feel like that's a perfect day to do chores. I also washed, well, I did laundry today as you guys saw, but I put my pajamas to dry. So I recommend, when you guys get PJ sets, like I always read to make sure, and it says not to dry them because then they'll shrink. So with my Fashion Nova PJs, I put them to dry on our drying rack, and I'm excited to wear them. I didn't want to wear them like the whole week, so they were in the dirty clothes, but I'm going to wear them tonight and these next couple of days because they're my favorite PJs. So you guys are going to see them a ton. But yes, I do wash them, so don't try me.
Slow a little down is what you said. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans, I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you.
My hair is now done and I'm about to do some editing to end off this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have my diffuser going and I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow. I have a lot to do before I go to work tomorrow. I'm going to work early tomorrow. Also, before I end off this video, I'm gonna try my best to continue uploading every day during the week, but I'm gonna be working a couple extra days now during the week, so it's gonna be hard. But we're like, honestly, Christmas is really next week, so I'm still gonna try to push through and finish and upload as much as I can, even if I'm uploading on the weekends now. Like whatever I can do, I'm gonna do. So I just want to let you guys know, but it is what it is. I told you things might happen, so yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. But I'm still, like, I have a lot of videos pre-filmed still, so should be good to go. Crazy, time is going very fast. But hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A little Sunday in my life, and gonna end it off by doing some editing for tomorrow or for the next day. But love you guys. See you in the next video.